Today I have XIAOMI Redmi K70 and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. Our first step to do this is opening Google Chrome application. When we press three dots on the right corner, there settings and password manager selection. There when we press this gear icon we can turn on and turn off function as save passwords, auto syncing or something like this. Or we can manage our password with our smartphone. Remember, in this case to our Google account, Messenger, we can press there. Now we must enter a look screen to manage it. And there we can copy our email, copy our username and password by this icon, or after we press this icon, our smartphone shows us password which. Remember, we can also click edit, and there we can edit our username, add something or delete, the same story with passwords, and we can add note. After we edit all we need, we press save, or we can delete all our smartphone remember by delete and confirm by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye!